Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. She is a famous actress with a net worth of approximately $20 million. She has appeared in more or less 20 films so far. Well, how do we say her name correctly? We may pronounce it as Emilia Clarke, Emilia Clarke, Emilia Clarke, Emilia Clarke. Emilia Clarke is known for her captivating and powerful performances, often in fantasy and drama genres. Some of her top movies include Game of Thrones, Me Before You, and Terminator Genisys. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Emilia Clarke, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.